This is the second house we bought on Castle Street. We love to buy these little 2-bedroom, 1-bath houses because they mean big profits for us. So here we are driving up to the Castle house. You can see from the road it doesn't have a whole lot of curb appeal, and I'm not a big fan of the awnings over the windows. We're probably going to take those down. As we continue to walk around the house, we can see that it has an older heat and air unit. It also has some peeling paint. One good thing I see is it has a newer electrical panel with breakers instead of fuses. It also has a nice level, large backyard. A little covered porch on the back here. And they have a little bit of a patio area made from flat rock. As we continue on around the corner of the house, you can see this last side here has quite a bit of damage to it. It has some rotten wood and some peeling paint. We're probably going to have to replace a few planks there. There is a detached garage in the corner of the lot. It has a big tree growing right in front of the garage door, which needs to be cut down, and it needs a little bit of repairs. It's in pretty rough shape. Hopefully we can clean it up and maybe they can use it for storage. Okay, now on the inside, you can see here this is the living room. It's pretty good size and the hardwoods are in pretty good shape. They were underneath some carpet. You can see we pulled up the carpet here. And they look pretty good. We're going to just clean them up and try to use them as they are. This house has a decent sized kitchen, which includes the laundry connection. Now this might not be the most desirable place to put the laundry connections, but it's very common for a house of this age. When these houses were built, most of them did not have laundry connections at all. This is something that was added later, and usually the easiest place to add it was in the kitchen. As for repairs, the kitchen does not need much. The flooring needs to be replaced, some minor cabinet repairs needed, and the sink fixtures need to be replaced. The bathroom didn't look that bad at first glance, but it had some secrets it was waiting to reveal. Here in the back bedroom, we pulled the carpet out, and you can see the tack strips laying there. Here in the front bedroom, you can see we have some residue left on the floor after we removed the carpet and padding. We discovered that the padding underneath the carpet had been worn down over so many years of use that it was stuck almost permanently to the hardwood. We had to get solvent to release it and clean it up so we could refinish the hardwoods. Here in the kitchen, we're beginning to paint shelves and cabinet doors, and we're replacing the hardware, which most of it was broken or damaged or rusted and just painted over dozens of times. So we replaced all the hardware, like the hinges and the latches and the handles. We also replaced the plastic faux brick backsplash. We decided to install a heavy grade no glue vinyl over the original kitchen flooring. This was probably the easiest and least expensive option. And here's the completed kitchen with new flooring, appliances, and with new hardware on the cabinetry. As I mentioned earlier, we had some surprises yet to come in the bathroom. One of them was the sink drain. It was not working well, and the trap under the sink was an old metal trap that had rusted through. We decided to replace the sink vanity and repair the plumbing, but the more we opened up, the more we found. We ended up replacing drain lines with PVC and the supply lines with PEX, which meant having to cut a large section of the wall, forcing us to remove the toilet for access, and then replacing it with new drywall. Here's the finished bathroom with a new toilet, new vanity, sink, fixtures. During the remodel, we used the living room as a staging area with all our supplies and tools, and here we're starting to clean the living room up so we can get the floors cleaned and mopped and ready for the polyurethane finish we're going to apply to them. We put 3 coats of polyurethane and they turned out really gorgeous. These floors have not been sanded or had anything else done to them other than just cleaning them and polyurethaning them. Please do me a favor and hit the like button. The bedroom floors turned out just as nice. Here's the front bedroom and here's the back bedroom here. We did the same polyurethane treatment to these floors. Moving outside, the covered porch, the ceiling of the porch was falling in. It was rotten, so I replaced it with a sheet of Luan, cut a hole for the electrical outlet, and painted it and put up a new light fixture. So it looks really nice now. And one of the last things we did was we took down the awnings over the windows and replaced those with shutters. This gives the property a little more curb appeal, and it looks much better in my opinion. So let's look at the numbers on this house. We purchased this house for $15,000. We spent about $6,446 in repairs, which gave us $21,446 as a total investment. Monthly rent is $675, multiplied by 12 gives you $8,100 for an annual rent. Then you take the annual rent and divide that by the total invested, and that gives you an annual return of 38%. I hope you enjoyed watching the renovation of the Castle House. And if you're looking for more information on how you can get started in real estate, check out this video. I'm going to put a link up here. It's called Little Houses, Big Profits, and it's going to show you how you can get started buying some smaller properties so you too can make some big profits. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you'd like to see more, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you know when we release new videos. And if you'd like more information on real estate investing, go to retirerichwithrealestate.com. Until next time, I'm Paul Price, teaching you how to retire rich with real estate.